Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you're interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best online easy money saving and investing app/website. For more information, hold the video till the end, very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is the Twine application? The Twine application by Disaster Protection Monster, John Hancock, is a reserve fund and contributing application intended to help couples run after joint monetary objectives. It permits couples to set up robotized reserve funds in a high-ish yield FDIC protected record, or to put their cash in various portfolios. If you visit the website link in the description box. Does Twine cost cash? Twine continues valuing straightforward. You can contribute 25 cents every month, $3 every year, for each $500 you contribute. That gives it a yearly expense of $6 per thousand, or 0.60% of the measure of cash you have contributed. Be that as it may, you can set aside money for nothing. How does Twine application work? Twine, another application that dispatched last November, permits couples to maneuver cash from their individual records into a solitary bank account as they pursue quite a few reserve funds objectives. The application permits you to save it in real money for more limited term objectives. In any case, if your objective is somewhat further off, you can put away the cash. How would I pull out cash from Twine? You can demand to pull out cash from your open Twine objective whenever by signing into your Twine account, making a beeline for the objective you'd prefer to pull out from, and tapping the withdraw alternative to tell us the amount you'd like shipped off your connected financial balance. Is Twine protected to download? Meanwhile, there's no damage in an infection check on the off chance that you haven't as of now. You should explicitly filter Twine and its related documents too. On the brilliant side, since Twine runs in NW.js, it shouldn't have any significant admittance to your own data or perusing history. Would you be able to add pictures to the Twine? You can add a picture resource for your story by either utilizing the import image menu things in the story menu, or by moving a picture document into the story map in Twine 1.4. On the off chance that you attempt to alter a picture, you'll be given a review. From that point, you may save the picture back to a document, duplicate it, or rename it. What do tags do in Twine? Labels are an approach to do this. They work as marks stuck on a section, obvious to you while you are composing your story, yet they can't be found in the distributed adaptation of your story. A tag can be any arrangement of letters, numbers, or accentuation without spaces. Is Twine a decent application? The joint objectives arrangement is something Twine shows improvement over some other reserve funds and speculation applications out there. In the event that you have shared objectives yet, you're not prepared to join funds yet, Twine is likewise an extraordinary decision. Each accomplice holds their own record, giving you as much freedom as you need. Does Twine deal with versatility? Twine doesn't have an Android application right now, yet it's on our guide for what's to come. You can even now get set up on Twine by means of the web at app.twine.com. The web adaptation of Twine doesn't have the entirety of the highlights found on Twine's iOS application, however, we're dealing with remembering them for future updates. Why contribute now? It's an incredible opportunity to turn into a financial specialist. Gone are the times of picking stocks and trusting your portfolio bodes well. Innovation has made everything fair. Start with what you have. With Twine, you needn't bother with a major check or monetary bonus to turn into a financial specialist. Start with what you have. For stuff you need soon. Contributing isn't only for retirement. Twine encourages you to contribute to things like your wedding trip or home upfront installment. Reasonable portfolios. Twine's portfolios are intended to beat the profits of your bank account while dealing with your danger. Twine is contributing to most of us. A portfolio in your pocket. Twine is open on your telephone or the web. Keep tabs on your development continuously. Deal with your speculations from any place. Innovation with a human touch. Twine consolidates savvy innovation with 150 years of monetary aptitude. Our portfolios are planned by John Hancock's speculation experts and constantly rebalanced as you gain ground. Simple in, simple out. Move cash all through Twine whenever without charges. Timetable week after week, repeating moves to remain on target. Basic valuing. We accept everybody ought to see precisely the amount it expenses to contribute. Only 25 pennies for each month for each $500 you contribute. Or then again 0.6% yearly, for the mathematicians among us. More on valuing. That is not exactly most customary consultants and practically identical to other advanced contributing items. Begin contributing with Twine. How's with Twin? You have objectives. You have one another. Twine makes teaming up on short and long-haul monetary objectives straightforward. Follow objectives as a group or all alone. From me, objectives to we, objectives. You can put something aside for every one of them in one spot, and keep steady over your advancement together. Make the same number of individual or joint reserve funds objectives as you need. Welcome your accomplice to download Twine or sign up together on one gadget. Both of you can interface your banks for simple, free exchanges in and out. Develop your cash, your direction. Set aside in money. Works much the same as the bank accounts you know and love. Open your record with as meager as $5. Setting aside in money is free. Level up to a venture portfolio whenever. Or then again put resources into a portfolio. Twine portfolios offer more noteworthy development potential for longer-term objectives, with programmed acclamations to help you remain on target. Get a portfolio customized to you and your objective. Begin with as meager as $5. Pay simply $25 every month for each $500 in your record. I hope you all really like this app and start work with the link in the description box. If you get a more interesting video, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Don't forget to smash the bell icon. Leave a comment. Good luck.